This video is brought to you about Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about macaron boxes, specifically these shock-safe macaron boxes. And there are 6 sizes. They hold different piece counts. And you can see right here, we've got the 3-piece count. And it's actually a really great triple piece design. So you have a wonderful 3-piece setup. The bottom tray holds your macarons. They have a nice little insert, right, to help keep them safe, or a little cover, and then the actual lid. So it's going to keep them nice and secure. So these are perfect for pre-packed orders, packing things up to go for customers, sending them out for delivery, or even shipping, because it's going to give them a nice little shock absorbent, cushioned environment to sit in. And since they're really delicate, that's a really fantastic thing. We have the 3-piece, the 6, the 12, our 24, 36, and then 48 count boxes. And you can see the larger counts, rather than laying flat, the macarons are going to be at an angle. They have a perfect kind of beautiful presentation. They've got those beautiful clear plastic tops to really show off colors, ingredients, design details, whatever the case may be. And the boxes themselves are recyclable, which is fantastic. They've got a sleek, kind of classic look that's easy to close up with a few seals or stickers, put on some ribbon, some elastic bows, whatever the case may be. And also they've got great spots, since they have those huge clear tops, if you want to put on stickers or labels for branding. So these are a fantastic way for bakeries, cafes, patisseries to pack up their macaron for either to-go or takeout orders, or even for shipping.